RJ25. Use the cable stripper to remove about 1 to 2 inches of the outer jacket of the Ethernet cable, exposing the twisted pairs inside. Untwist the pairs and arrange them in the correct order. The standard wiring schemes are T568A and T568B. For most purposes, T568B is used. Trim the wires to make sure they are all the same length, about half an inch from the jacket. Orange white, orange, green white, blue, blue white, green, brown white, brown. Carefully insert the wires into the RJ45 connector, making sure each wire goes into correct slot. Insert the connector into the crimping tool and squeeze the handles firmly to crimp the connector onto the cable. Then, if you are done, use a cable tester to ensure the cable is properly connected and functioning.